Good evening, respected members, and hello, dear students. Hi, this is CA Pratik. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GST and Customs Act Fun Learning. Now, today I'm going to discuss one important update which is finally there on GST portal, Invoice Furnishing Facility. This has become live on GST portal. Okay, so I've divided this topic again into three parts. First, let me explain you the new section 16 subsection 2 clause AA, which is being proposed in Union Budget 2021. The quarterly GSTR1 filers and what will be the issue with the monthly GSTR recipient. And third, how this invoice furnishing facility is going to resolve this dispute. Okay, so let us begin today's topic. So first point, in Union Budget 2021, you all know that government has introduced one new subclause, 16 subsection 2 clause AA of the CGST Act 2017. What this clause is saying, that the recipient can take the input tax credit of invoice or debit note only when the details of such invoice or debit note is uploaded by supplier in his GSTR1. So now if I buy goods or service from the supplier, if the supplier has uploaded the details in his GSTR1, then only the recipient can take the ITC. This is the proposal in the current Union Budget 2020. So we cannot even avail the difference of 5%. Rule 36 sub rule 4 made that difference was allowed. Now you cannot even take that 5%. Now what happened? You all are aware that every registered person whose turnover is say up to 1.5 crore and now it is proposed to 5 crore can file quarterly GST return. And taxpayer whose turnover is greater than 1.5 or now it is proposed to 5 crore, they have to file monthly GST returns. Okay, so suppose I am a recipient, I am filing monthly GST returns because my turnover is above 5 crores. What happened? I am purchasing goods from this person. 1 lakh plus 18% GST. He is a quarterly GSTR1 filer. Since he is quarterly GSTR1 filer, month of January, he will not file only GSTR1. Since he will not file GSTR1, this ITC details shall never ever get auto-populated in my GSTR2B of Jan 21. So I cannot avail this ITC. ये ITC मुझे January month में नहीं मिलेगा. Now, in the same month, I purchased goods or await services from this guy, 2 lakh plus 24,000 GST. He is also filing quarterly GST return. So for the Jan, he did not file GSTR1. So again, this 24,000 ITC did not get auto-populated in my 2B. I cannot avail this ITC. Correct. From this guy, I purchased goods of rupee 1 lakh plus 5,000 GST. Now he is a monthly GSTR1 filer. Okay, so he filed GSTR1 correctly. Hence, this 5,000 got auto-populated in my GSTR2B as well as in 3B. I can avail this ITC. So what is the conclusion coming out? How much actual eligible ITC is there in January month? 47,000. How much I'm eligible to take because of the supplier's mistake? 5,000. Balance 42,000 ka kya? What about this balance 42,000? I cannot avail in January month. I will have to avail in March when that supplier will file quarterly GSTR1. So this was a problem. Now, what was the havoc in the market? जो भी हर month return file करते थे, monthly GSTR1 filer, they had stopped doing business. कि quarterly GSTR1 filers के साथ we are not going to do any business because we will not get credit or because they will file quarterly GSTR1, right? So there was all these issues going on in the market. Now what happened? Government came with an update that those taxpayers who are filing quarterly GSTR1 from 1st of January 2021, I repeat, they have one option. They can upload all the invoices on real-time basis through which option? Invoice Furnishing Facility. I repeat, Invoice Furnishing Facility. This facility is there on GST portal. Okay, so now the update is this facility is finally activated on portal. जो भी supplier quarterly GSTR1 भरता है, they should and they must file this. I use this facility and upload the invoices so that the recipient can take ITC. See this. Now this is a facility developed. See, this is a quarterly GSTR1 file. You cannot see GSTR1. You can see this. Invoice Furnishing Facility. So यहाँ पे आपको अपडेट करना है अगर आप क्वार्टरली GSTR1 फाइलर only few tabs, only B2B tabs will be there. Correct. So invoice tab number 4 and debit note credit note tab number 9. यहाँ पे आप उस बायर की डिटेल्स डाल दो from whosoever you have sold the goods, वो details आप डाल दो so that on the basis of this the recipient will get the ITC in his 2B and he can claim the input tax credit. Okay, so on this basis, real-time basis, the recipient can avail input tax credit. Invoice furnishing facility. Correct? Now, when आप कभी भी कर सकते हो January month में और there is a time limit. There is a time limit. The invoice shall be uploaded in IFF form from 1st of the month till 13th of the subsequent month. January है तो 1 to 13th Feb 2021 तक कभी भी कर सकते हो. 1st to 13th of the subsequent month you can use this facility. But which invoice you can upload? Only B2B. B2B invoices and debit note and credit note, that also B2B. Only register to register. No unregistered. क्योंकि उनको तो IT से भी नहीं मिलता. Okay, so this facility is finally activated on GST portal. If you or your clients are filing quarterly GSTR1, I request you to use this facility so that the recipient can take input tax credit. Clear? So one important announcement for all of you.